Hey guys, we are installing GameMaker today. GameMaker is a really great program. It's one of my favorite programs that you could ever have on a computer. I've used it thousands of hours in my life to make video games. We are using an older version of GameMaker for a couple reasons. I want to give you a version of GameMaker that doesn't have a license that's going to run out. So you can always have this on your computer. You can always use it. There are newer versions, and most of the differences in the new versions are just that the interface looks a little flashier and newer. But as far as what it can actually do, it's just about the same. GameMaker is not a program that's already on your laptop, so you've got to get it on there. In your OneNote page, there is something called Link to GameMaker folder. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to bring you to a folder in my OneDrive that you need to click the download button on right here. It will download a zipped folder. I'll go ahead and click here and go show folder. And there it is right there. When you have a zipped folder, you have to unzip it before you can use things in it. So I'm going to go into that folder. And you'll see a button here that says extract all. That's like unzipping it. It asks you where you want to unzip it to. I think the desktop is a great place for that. So I'm going to choose the desktop. I select folder and extract. Okay, on my desktop, there is now a folder called GameMaker. And inside that folder is a folder called GameMaker again. And then there's two folders here, GameMaker 7.0 and GameMaker Tutorials. We're going to go into GameMaker 7.0. And to open the program, there is one that has a little red ball next to it. It says Application, it says GameMaker. That is the one we want to choose. It's going to ask you it's going to say GameMaker can run in simple mode or advanced mode. Let's see. Do you want to enable advanced mode? You guys will want to switch to advanced mode almost immediately, so let's just do it right away. So we'll say yes. It'll come up with this, say don't upgrade now, and here we are in GameMaker. All right. Check out Catch the Clown video next to make your first game.